Hello everyone, and you're so much welcome to 2 Minutes Talk with Odurole Mojibola. Today we're going to be learning how do I say no to customers' debt. Sit back, I'm gonna be right back. Yes, like I said earlier, how do I say no to customers' debt? The first thing I'm going to be mentioning this morning is tithes. Now, there's no way you're going to prioritize God in your business and it will not ensure that nobody owes you. God doesn't owe any man. So if a part of your business at every point in time you have told yourself is going to be given to God, which is just 10% of your business, of whatever you made from your business, please make it a point of duty. Tithe is the first thing. Secondly, make your customers pay at least 70% advance payments. No matter how familiar you are with them, even if they're going to pay anything, let it be at least 70% upfront payments. That will help you to minimize debt and let them know that until they complete it, you are not going to be releasing their footwear. Yes, footwear is actually a luxury. It's not phone. It's not food, rather, that you say, oh, he's so hungry or she's so hungry, that's why he really desire or she desire it. It's luxury, let them pay for it. If they go to the market or shopping mall, they will definitely pay immediately before they can pick it up. Why treat you that way? You are not buying your materials on credit. So ensure that you make them pay before you release their products to them. Thirdly, make sure you are good at doing quality product. Quality material. Use quality material. The reason I'm saying this is that if you send a particular catalog to your customer and they pick a foreign product, you are not the one that produces it. You send them a foreign catalog. Please, and I even need to really pay attention to that. Please stop sending foreign catalog. If you're going to send them, let them know you are not the one that produced it. That's why you see so many what I order versus what I got. So please, I want you to work on that one. Do quality job. When you charge people highly, make sure that you go overboard to produce quality job. I want to believe this has actually helped so much today. Don't forget, pay your tithe. 10%. It's just 10%. Our God that we serve will actually destroy the devourer for your sake. Customers' debt is actually a devourer. It devours your business. It makes it be on a standstill. So watch out and make sure you work on that. I want to believe this has helped you. Let's see on Thursday again as we discuss another amazing topic on how to maximize our profit. I'm going to see you on Thursday. Bye.